Welcome to our tutorial on sensor setup with the DALI Cockpit app. The DALI Cockpit app provides a user-friendly interface for device setup. We'll guide you through the process step by step. In this example, we'll show how to control a group of lights in a room using a sensor. We will also add a Bluetooth 5-room controller for system setup and power supply. The Bluetooth 5-room controller has a built-in power supply with 180 mA to power the DALI line. Furthermore, it connects via Bluetooth to the configuration software DALI Cockpit Mobile for smartphones. This connection allows us to address, configure, and control the DALI devices on the bus. Before configuring your installation, ensure that all devices are wired correctly and that your phone is within range of the Bluetooth 5-room controller. Let's explore how to set up the DALI installation using the DALI Cockpit Mobile app on your smartphone. Open the configuration menu. The first step is to address the devices in the room. Scroll down to Settings and click on the Installation Wizard button. Check that the wiring has been completed. Then, select your room controller. Next, you can make a quick installation test with the All On and All Off buttons to verify if all luminaires are connected. Now, click the New Installation button to address all devices, or select System Extension to search for new devices only. Now, addressing is completed. Next, go to the menu section Devices and click on DALI Devices. Here, we can assign luminaries or devices to a group, for example, Group 1. When DALI devices are in the same group, they react together. Then, go to the section Sensors and click on Motion Control. Here, we'll adjust the sensor settings. First, we define the effective range. Select the group you added your lamps to. Next, we define the operating mode. Here we select Motion Control, so the lights turn on when motion is detected. For the On command, we choose a light level of 100%. So whenever the sensor detects movement, the lights will go to full brightness. In the section Hold Time, we can define how long the On command will be active for. Let's set it to 10 minutes. For the Decrease light level, we will set the light level to 30%. Additionally, we will set a fade time of 2.8 seconds to ensure that the room's illumination does not abruptly decrease. The hold time for the 30% light level we set to 3 minutes. And for the final command, we define Off. That's it. We have successfully set up the sensor using the DALI Cockpit app. This method ensures your lighting system is efficient and tailored to your needs. The DALI Cockpit mobile app is available for free download for iOS and Android. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or subscribe to our channel.